Ever felt stuck trying to handle multiple conditions in Power BI? You write one if, then another, and suddenly your formula seems like a maze. In this video, I'll show you how to use if and nested if in the right way. You learn how to build clean, logical conditions that help you achieve the result that you want. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use an if, when to nest them, and how to avoid mistakes that slow down your DAX. Let's jump into it. Here is an example which contains some bike data. This company wants to do 2 promotions to target potential audience. The first promotion is based on region. In this case, the target audience is people in Europe. We have this column region where we have data of people from Europe, North America and Pacific. I'm going to create a new column and call it regional promotion. If the region is equal to Europe in double quotes, then for the result if true, which is similar to value if true in Excel, we will say yes. Yes indicates that this person is a target for regional promotion campaign. Else for result if false, which means this person is not from Europe, we will say no. Close the bracket and we get the result. I'm going to filter on Europe and we'll only see the yes values in regional promotion. Now I'm going to filter on values other than Europe and we'll only see no in the regional promotion. So that's how a simple if statement works. Let's now look at another example. For the next promotion, we will identify our target audience based on the occupation of the people. Here we have a distribution of people based on their occupation. The data is filtered on people who already own a bike. We see that people who are professionals or skilled manual workers are the largest 2 groups with bikes. If we see the people who do not have bikes, then these 2 groups are still the largest. This means they are worthy candidates for a promotion. So let's identify them. New column, target for occupational promotion. If we will check if they already own a bike. If that is yes, then they are not a target for the campaign. However, if they don't, then we need to check more conditions. So we will write an if again. Instead of checking for both the occupations separately or by using the OR function, I will use in. If the occupation is in one of professional or skilled manual, we will write both the options in a pair of curly brackets or braces. If the person has either of these occupations, then yes, they are candidates for the campaign, else no. Close the brackets and we get the result. Let's verify. I'm going to filter on occupation, professional, skilled manual, and purchase bike is no. Then we only have the yes value. And if I change any one, Let's say purchase bike is equal to yes, which means they already own a bike. Then obviously they are no longer a target for this promotion, and we only see the no value. And let me change the profession. Just going to make that as management. Now, irrespective whether they have a bike or not, they are not a target for the second promotion. So this is how easily we can write if or nested if statements in Power BI. That's it for this video. I hope you found this useful. And if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.